guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to unbox my Sugar Cosmetic. So let's get into the video. So I am unboxing my Sugar Cosmetic. The first product I got is Sugar Foundation. Drop the second product is blush. Such amazing product. It's a bit compact now. Sugar Kajal. This is the third product. The fourth product is mascara. Oh, sorry. The fifth product is this. This is eyeshadow, crayon eyeshadow. Eyes and Shine in shade 3. This is Sugar Lipstick, Smudge Me Not Liquid Lipstick Mini in shade 10. Oh my god, it's a party look. Moisturizer. इसके बारे में बहुत सुना है और सच में अच्छा होता है, ये भी मैंने सुना. In shade pink, 02 pink. Let's just check this. Oh भाई साहब सीधी रहा यार ये तो. Look at. And the last but not the least is the Sugar Mini. So this is my unboxing Sugar Cosmetic. I hope you guys enjoying my video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see such as video, please tell us in the comment section below. Thank you. Bye bye.